It's Pipiads, if you want to know which products are trending on TikTok. In this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the alphabet letter anklets. This anklet complements any look and any occasion with its classic look. It is a good gift for yourself or your lover, family, friends, and co-workers. The suggested selling price is $18.99, with the product costing on AliExpress $0.65, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is Pipiads Swimwear, made of smooth, breathable, and skin-friendly fabric. Quick drying, soft, and comfortable to wear, it can offer enough protection when swimming. Also can nicely help girls avoid embarrassing leakage during periods. The recommended selling price is €29.99 and the product cost on AliExpress is €3.45. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.